to add music to your Instagram story. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add music to your Instagram story to enhance your story with your favorite tunes. For that, open your Instagram application and click on the plus icon at the center of this homepage to create a new story. Select story from the options to enter the story creation process. Here you can capture the instant photo, video, or if you want to select it from the gallery, click on this image option. Select a photo from your gallery. Once you have selected your picture, in this editing space, you will see various icons at the top of the screen. Look for the music icon, which is next to the star icon. Click on it. A collection of tracks will appear. Choose a track from the suggestion or search for the specific music you want to add to your story. Once you have found the desired music, click on it. When you are satisfied with your music selection and display preferences, click on Done at the top right corner. Click on the little arrow at the bottom to start the processing. Click on Share and click on Done. Give it a moment, and when it's done, click on it and you will see you have successfully added music to your Instagram story. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.